What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Coyote Mike. So a couple of months back, American Modified reached out to me to basically do an install and a review of one or some of their products. So they actually sent me out their new Tomahawk grill. This is from American Modified. They just barely sent it out to me. I would have got it sooner, but with the snowstorm that we just had, kind of threw everything off. But check it out, man. Here's the video of it, and the install's kind of tricky, but well, not the install, but actually the wiring. But once we got that squared away, it's actually a pretty good product, man. You guys stick around to the end of the video. We're going to be giving this grill away. Again, this is from AmericanModified.com, and this is their new Tomahawk grill. Alright guys, so here we go. This is the box that it's going to be coming in. If you do decide to order this from American Modified, let me turn the box around so you guys can see. So it comes in a pretty nice little box. It's taped up pretty well. Box is a little bit damaged, but I'm sure that's from the transport and the courier. I'm just going to take this out of the package, open it up, see what we got inside, see how well it's packaged. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to lay this down on its side. Let me get it out of the box. So here we go. This is the actual grill that came inside of the box. It came just like this in this bubble wrap. I don't see any cushioning or anything like that. But let's see what's inside this box. I'm assuming hardware and stuff like that. Alright, so this is your, basically got your hardware. And this is the F and the R to replace the emblems in the front, so that way it'll say Ford, read out Ford. So that comes in that little package. You got your little screws right here, or your little hardware. So that's nice. And then you got your F and your R right here, so pretty cool. All right, so let's take this out of the wrapper, see what we got. Alright guys, so this is from American Modified. They just sent this out to me. They actually reached out to me a few months back, and with everything that's going on, something just fell. Looks like we got some type of washer or a nut or something that was just kind of attached in there. But nonetheless, this is a different style. They call this one the Tomahawk. And I've never actually seen it, but you got your LED bar in here. I'm assuming they light up amber. I'm not really too sure. So with the R, you're going to put that in there. And then you're going to put the F right in here like such. So there we go. So you got your O and the D, you got your R, and you got your F. So put those back in the box. Let me turn this around so you guys can actually see it. Alright you guys, so here we go. This is the Tomahawk grill, and this was sent out to me from American Modified. I'm not getting paid for this. It's not a sponsorship or anything like that. They're just sending me out their product. They want me to do an unboxing and basically installation video of this product. Now this is made to go on your 09 through 14 F150s. So I'm kind of liking this. It's a different style. It's a different look. It's different than the Raptor. They actually call this the Tomahawk. So you've got your little LED lights in here. Right here is where the F is going to go in that little section. You got your O. Then you're going to put the R in that section. and then you got your D. So let's open up the garage and let's get started. All right, so here we go. As you can tell, I got the F150 Raptor style grill. We're going to start by taking this grill off, and then we're going to start removing some bolts from the original or the aftermarket grill that I have on here now. So we're going to remove that bolt, that one, this one, and then of course, if you've never done this before, this new grill does not come with instructions. So you do have to take this off right here. You have to reuse that on your grill, and that actually shuts to the bottom of the grill up against your truck. All right, so let's get started. All right, guys, so there we go. The old one's off, and this is what it's going to look like once you pull the grill off. So you're going to have to take out the bolts that are exactly right here, here, and here. Then of course you got your safety pins in here. These are metal, so be careful with them. They do have a little plastic ring inside of them, a yellow ring, so be careful when pulling those out. You don't want to break them. If you break them, you're screwed. So basically this is what it's going to look like right now. So we're going to grab the other grill and we're going to start installing it. All right, guys, so here we go. We're about to do the install on this Tomahawk grill. So the little screw that fell off earlier that was loose inside of the box, that actually is going to go, let's see if I can show you guys. So they're actually going to go right here, right on here when you put it inside of here, right in here. So it's going to bolt back on. So let's go ahead and let's start trying to get this thing installed. So once again, this does not come with any type of instructions, directions, anything. So you're pretty much in the dark. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop these clips right up in here in the top. See if we can get everything to line up. Put that out. Alright, so let's get these clips in first in the top. There we go, got that one. Alright, so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get these pins right here and right here to drop into the hole, and at the same time too I got to get these little screws that are coming in to slide right in there too. So it's kind of tricky. Let me get this on and I'll start the video once I get it back on. Alright guys, so here we go. This is how it looks once it's installed. Definitely gives the truck a little bit more aggressive look. The installation of this was kind of tricky, trying to line the bolts and the pins up, but if you just get the pins in first, and then the clips will fall into place. So all in all, it wasn't too bad. It took me about, I want to say about 10 minutes to get it installed. Now I'm going to bolt it up, wire everything up. Now the cool thing about this Tomahawk grill is that basically it's got a white, amber, and blue light all inside this little LED bar, which is pretty cool. The blue, I'm not really liking the blue because that's not the theme of my truck. Mine's red. So we're going to put them on, hook it up, see how it looks, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, so here we go. Got the grill installed. Was kind of a hassle. There's no instructions on this grill, but what I had to do was or what you have to do is you have to tap into your headlight accessory. You got to find the low beam and figure out which one is the hot wire, basically the positive going into your low beam, and you got to get the negative. So you put the red wire into the hot on the low beam, and the negative into the black wire into the negative on your low beam. And then with the accessory, with the blue wire, you've got to run that into basically an accessory wire that basically comes on with your parking light. So I'm going to turn on or unlock my doors right now, and it should light up blue. All right, hope you guys can see that. So it's actually blue. Now I'm going to go and put the headlights on, and it's actually pretty cool. When you turn the headlights on, it actually turns white. Let me take off this plastic. There we go. So once again, this is from American Modified. They actually sent me out this grill. This is a sponsored, well, not really sponsored video, but they actually sent me out this grill to keep. So you guys stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to be giving this grill away. But nonetheless, let me turn on the headlights and show you guys what it does. Alright guys, so there you go. What I do like about this grill is that it actually gives you room right here in case you wanted to modify it with something else, like some Cree lights or something like that. That's what I would do with this particular grill. Cut this section out and put in some Cree lights right here, some square lights. Same thing on the other side. But nonetheless, it's a well-constructed material. It fits really nice and snug up on the grill. I don't think I'm going to keep it on my truck, being that I am running red and black, so the blue will just throw everything off. So once again, you can pick this up from AmericanModified.com. It's on their website. It's going to run you about $179. You know, all in all, I like it. It's a different look from what everybody's running right now with the Raptor grill, like what I have. But very aggressive. It is black, so it matches the truck really, really nice. So American Modified, if you're out there listening, if you got a red LED grill with some red lights, send that one out to us, and I'll definitely rock that on my truck. But the blue lights just ain't working for me. The installation, it's pretty easy. It took me about, I want to say altogether, I'd say about 30 minutes once I got the grill actually on there and everything lined up. The wiring was a little bit tricky. Had to figure it out. There's really no directions or instructions. So basically, that's the only thing that held me up. So other than that, I'm going to leave this on here for a while. I'm not going to be driving around with it. I am going to take it back off. And but nonetheless, great product by American Modified. Well packaged product. You can pick it up from AmericanModified.com for about $179. And yeah, there we go. Let me turn it back on for you guys one more time. There we go. We got it in blue. All right, you guys. So there you go. That is the installation and the review of the American Modified Tomahawk F150 for your 09 through 14 F150 trucks. So let me show you the product again. So there we go right there. And I got the original grill back on. Well, not the original, the other aftermarket grill. So nonetheless, guys, this is a great little product, man. If you guys want this grill, I could not get it to turn amber. Like I said, I really don't know too much about this product right here. But this is one of their new grills sent out to me by American Modified. They reached out to me a few months back with everything that was going on with the snowstorm and all of the other stuff, kind of delayed stuff. But nonetheless, if you guys are looking for this grill, you can find it on AmericanModified.com, and it'll run you about $179. I'm going to put the link down in the description below. But this is a great grill. I like it. Like I said, it's different from the Raptor grill right here, but only if these lights were in red. But other than that, it makes the truck look really aggressive. Great grill. To tell you the truth, honestly, it fit better on the grill right here. This one actually fit on there a little bit better once I get it all situated and secured. With the Raptor grill, you can't really get the side grills in right here, the side screws in right here, because the bolts are too small. But nonetheless, great product. You guys go check it out at AmericanModified.com, and you guys stick around. I am going to be giving this grill away to my 500 subscriber. So once we reach 500, we're going to give this grill away. But nonetheless, guys, you guys go check this out, AmericanModified.com. It's your boy Coyote Mike. And once again, we will be giving this grill away once we hit 500 subscribers. So if you guys haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button, and turn on that bell notification. It's your boy Coyote Mike.